We're doing a cabin filter in a 2019 GMC Sierra. This is going to be the same for a Silverado. Let's go ahead and open the glove box. See these stoppers here. Move the glove box out inward. This. You can do both sides like that. And you can lower the glove box down. That should come off the hinges here. Take this door off here. Push this tab in. Pull towards you. Alright. The other side is not like that. It has like a insert that goes in the side. Just pull the filter right out. It's not too bad looking. It's a really nice Bosch filter. I'm going to leave a link in the description box section of Amazon where you can get this exact filter if you want. There'll be a link in the comment box too if that's easier. Bosch filters are super nice. I always like these things. But if you look, they have the airflow direction on the side. It's always going to be down. Let me stick it back in here. If I get it in here with one hand, okay, here we go. Slide it back in here. Let's do it like this. Alright. Right side goes in first. Just slap the door on here. Like that. Glove box comes back on. Let me just close it and we're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you could subscribe if you want to see more GMC, Silverado, Sierra content. And if this was helpful, hit the like button for me or leave me a comment.